Happy Easter, everybody! So today we are traveling to Veliko Tarnovo, just because we can, and it is sunny today, and we are having a day off because it's Sunday, and we would like to enjoy our day today. So we decided to have a little trip to Veliko Tarnovo today, and now we are enjoying the views on the road, which are amazing. Yeah, and let's see what is going on in Veliko Tarnovo on an Easter day today, because we have not seen that before. So we're very curious if there's something to do on a day like this. We're gonna figure it out, and we're gonna see. So keep you posted. And also, I at our benzene, how do you call that, petrol station in our village. I went there to a lady because I liked her and I wanted to bring her an Easter chocolate box. And then she gave me this wonderful egg, and I love that because I know it has to do with Easter, of course. And I think it's something like what they do here is they lay the egg next to the door. I think I saw it in a video of another friend from TikTok, and I got an egg from her. So yeah, I will be putting that to at my door, and it's gonna stay there for a year, I think, or something. I'm not sure, so let me know if you know. I saw it somewhere in the video at the girl on TikTok, so let me know if you know about it. And yeah, I'm happy with my egg. Beautiful Veliko Tarnovo. Oh, this is a wonderful place. And right now we are at a very nice place where you can have lovely burgers. It's wonderful. And we are hungry! Look at that, Veliko Tarnovo. Isn't it wonderful? Look at the mountains. And this place, it's a bakery, and there we love to get our banitzas. But now it's closed, but this is so good. These are one of the best banitzas. How did I try to love these? So good. On our way back home from a wonderful day in Veliko Tarnovo.